Hi and welcome to 3-Minute Health. Balanced hormones are crucial for our overall health and well-being. They regulate our sleep, mood, metabolism, and other important functions that impact our daily lives. When our hormones are balanced, we tend to feel energetic, with stable moods and restful sleep. However, when they're out of balance, it can really impact our overall well-being and functioning. Some common symptoms of hormonal imbalance include fatigue, weight gain, anxiety or depression, trouble sleeping, and changes in appetite. There are many factors that can cause our hormones to become imbalanced, like stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, chronic health conditions, menopause, and more. While there are medications that can help, some people look to herbal remedies as a more natural way to help get their hormones back in sync. Today we're going to look at 5 amazing herbs that have been shown to help balance hormones. If you fancy delving a bit deeper into the science of herbs that can help balance hormone levels, we've provided a few links in the description to some scientific research. Just look out for a key number popping up in the top right-hand corner, and scroll down to the corresponding number in the description for the link. Number 1. Marjoram. Marjoram contains phytoestrogens, which are plant-based compounds that mimic estrogen in the body. This can be helpful for issues like PMS, menopause, and infertility. Marjoram also helps regulate the thyroid and adrenal glands, which produce hormones related to metabolism, stress response, and reproductive health. You can use marjoram fresh or dried in cooking, teas, and essential oils. Number 2. Black cohosh root. This herb has been used for centuries by Native Americans to help treat menstrual and menopause-related problems. Today, black cohosh is commonly used to help relieve hot flushes, night sweats, anxiety, and irritability associated with menopause. It has also been shown to help alleviate PMS symptoms. The compounds in black cohosh root bind to estrogen receptors and help regulate hormonal activity. Number 3. Nigella seeds. Also known as black cumin or black caraway, nigella seeds offer a wide array of health benefits. These nutrient-dense seeds help balance blood sugar, cholesterol, and hormones related to stress response, like cortisol. Compounds like thymoquinone and nigellone provide anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and hormone-balancing properties. Nigella seeds are easy to add to foods like bread, yogurt, salads, and smoothies. Number 4. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. It helps the body adapt to stress, balance cortisol levels, and regulate thyroid hormones. Ashwagandha contains compounds called withanolides that are powerfully anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and hormone balancing. Taking ashwagandha supplements or powder is associated with improved mood, reduced anxiety, balanced blood sugar levels, and increased fertility. And number 5. Chasteberry. Also known as Vitex, chasteberry is especially helpful for regulating female reproductive hormones. It contains diterpenes that help block prolactin release and normalize ratios of estrogen and progesterone. This makes chasteberry effective at relieving PMS symptoms like breast pain, bloating, and irritability. It also minimizes hot flushes and balances hormones during perimenopause and menopause. Chasteberry is available in capsules, liquid extracts, or teas. Herbal remedies like these 5 herbs can be great options to help get your hormones back in balance gently and naturally. However, make sure to consult your doctor before taking them, especially if you take any medications, are pregnant, or have a hormone-sensitive condition. And remember, adopting an overall healthy lifestyle with whole foods, exercise, and stress relief techniques is crucial for balancing hormones and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.